good afternoon pala. Mga ano pa dito, alas 4 sa hapon. Mag-attend kami ng mass, Sunday mass. Papunta kami dito sa church na aming pupuntahan. Happy Sunday, everybody! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Say hi to my vlog, my love. Hi!
Hello!
Papunta kami dyan. Ang aga namin, wala pang mga tao, Wala pang tao sa parking lot. Doon pala kami nagpa-parking sa ibang sa eskwelahan. Sa ibang parking lot. Kasi hindi crowded doon na parking lot. Pupusok na kami sa church.
Are we going outside?
Anywhere. Ayan.
Let's go, okay, let's go.
Catholic
The other side,
church. No, I like here. I don't like anywhere.
I don't like that side.
Yeah, I don't like that
I
side.
don't like this side either.
We just go here. We used to go this side.
Do something different.
Papasok na kami. Yeah. Wala pang tao. Ang aga namin. Parang kami pa ang tao dito.
Go get your water, my love.
Yeah. Wala pang tao mga baduday.
Your water.
Magkuha muna kami ng tubig para sa akin kasi uhaw na ako. Hindi ako nakadala ng tubig. Ang aga namin. Wala pang mga tao. Ganito talaga kami. Parang most punctual kami palagi ba? Here, this side. Simbang gabi. Papunta kami sa restroom na side. Hinahanap namin ang tubig. Yung fountain ba? Oh, I don't know how to use it. Ganyan pala mga day. Hindi ko alam. I cannot.
For your health.
Okay. You hold it please for my
Okay.
vlog.
Okay, go.
Tingnan niyo ako ha. Paano ako iinom?
Push it and
Push
drink.
like that?
Drink, yeah. Just hold it and then... No, just hold it like that.
It will ruin my skin.
It's okay. It's not how you drink it. You go like this. Try it. Don't put it in your mouth like that. You just drink. No, try it.
Wait.
Put your mouth on top and just drink it like this. Not like that, like that. You don't need to open your mouth like that. You just keep your mouth in it like that and suck it there like that. Just put your mouth there and suck it. Yeah.
Like that.
Hold your mouth in it and then hold it in the water, then suck in. Yeah, like that. You're an expert now. That's how you do it. Thank you, my love.
I'm full now. I don't have towel.
Okay.
Tingnan niyo mga dahil. Pinapahid ko. Jacket nito mga dahil. Pasok na kami. Yan. Meron ng mga tao. 2 to 5 na tao.
Baptism pool. You can get a video on that.
Ha?
The baptism pool.
Yeah. Mga 3 to 5 people pa ang nandito. Super aga namin. Mag-ampo muna ako dito, magdasal. Kakatapos ko lang magdasal. Hipusin muna natin itong ludhanan. Iligpit ng pagganyan. Nagdasal ako kanina kasi hindi pa nagsimula ang mass ba. I-shutdown ko muna to ang aking phone kasi nagsisimula na. Hello, kakatapos lang ng misa. Pauwi na kami. Sabot muna kami nito kung saan kami papunta kasi sabi ko sa kanya gusto ko magluto ng tinulang manok. Hindi ko alam kung anong masabutan namin ngayon, kung saan kami papunta, kung umuwi ba kami or bibili ba kami ng tinulang manok. What do you want, my love? Do you want to go store and buy ingredients for my tinulang manok or just go home?
Go home.
Okay. Go home
I
lang
have
daw.
chicken wings.
Okay.
I'm gonna bake it.
Okay, it's up to you. So I just make tomorrow tinulang manok. Yeah. Tomorrow na lang daw kami magtinulang manok. Pupunta kami dyan sa Goodwill kasi tingnan ko kung meron ba silang boots na nagustuhan ko. Okay lang naman kung wala sila ditong nagustuhan kong boots kasi meron naman akong na-add-to-cart doon sa Shein. Shein online app ko ba? Online account ko. Tingnan natin kung meron ba silang design sa boots na nagustuhan ko doon sa Shein. Before, nakabili kasi ako dito ng boots tapos maganda ang style niya ba and mura. Kaya i-check ko ngayon kung meron din ba sila sa style na nagustuhan ko. Ayun! Wow! Tingnan nyo, ang mga ukay-ukay.
Just these.
They don't have
black, whatever you're looking for. They don't
Yeah.
have black.
They don't have
These.
black. I don't like that.
It's too hard to find the style.
This is not the one that I'm looking.
Don't have,
It's sort of the same, but I don't like these heels.
So better you just buy what style you like.
Yeah.
You're not gonna find anything.
No worries because I have already in my cart, in my Shein. Wala dito ang style na nagustuhan ko sa Shein. So, sa Shein ko na lang talaga
Look, there's a
bibilhin.
pants sleeve for you.
Yeah,
But they're too big, right? No.
yeah, too big for me. Sa Shein na lang talaga ako mag-order kasi na-add to cart ko naman siya. Gagamitin pala namin yung boots on January kasi magta-travel kami on January sa anywhere in the US. Bawal pa akong mag-out of the country kasi wala pa akong green card kaya dito lang muna kami sa US magta-travel. After holiday na kami mag-travel og sugod. After Christmas and New Year, mga January kami mag-travel og sugod. Let's go home! Uuwi na kami kasi wala naman dito sa Goodwill ang hinahanap ko. Yung sa Shein na lang ang o-orderin ko. Supposedly unta, ang plano namin is mga December 25, 24 kami magagala doon sa Las Vegas. Nagplano unta kami ba na doon kami mag-Christmas sa Las Vegas, but na pagdesisyonan namin ito na iusa na lang siya, all in na lang siya ba para hindi na kami magkuha-kuha ng maraming pet sitter. Para mausa na lang ang pet sitter ni Mula ba, hindi na kami magkuha-kuha ng, for example, magkuha kami ng pet sitter on December and then magkuha na naman kami on January kasi meron na naman kaming itinerary on January. Hassle na kapag ganun, kapag many times kami magkuha-kuha ng pet sitter, kaya na-decide namin ito na January na lang kami mag-travel. Iusa na namin lahat para wala nang problema sa pet sitter, sa pagkuha ng pet sitter. Kaisa na lang kami magkuha ng pet sitter ba sa loob ng 2 weeks. Ngayon ay hindi ako makapag-upload ng vlog kasi wala akong ma-upload. Kasi alam nyo naman, Sunday dito, it's December 15, Sunday dito sa US. Ngayon, nagpunta kami sa simbahan kasi nag-attend kami ng church mass. Kaya wala akong upload ngayon. Maghintay muna kayo dyan. Magko-comment na naman kayo. Inday, Antom, we are missing you on your vlogs. Maghintay lang kayo dyan. Wala akong nagawang content kanina. Natutulog lang kami nito. Hello! Good morning, Philippines! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. For today's vlog ay lalabas na naman kami kasi hindi ako satisfied sa aking buhok. Satisfied ako. Maganda naman siya pero hindi ko gusto yung length niya. Gusto ko yung mas maikli pa. Super satisfied ako sa result niya ng rebond but mas gusto ko yung yung mas maikli pa ba. Yung dito talaga para hindi siya alimuot. Para maaliwala siya tingnan at saka maaliwala sa aking pakiramdam. Meron akong ipapakita sa inyo na mga centerpiece sa aming tables kasi dumadating na sila at nilagay ko na sila dito sa aming dalawang tables doon sa maliit na table at dito sa dining table namin. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Oh, ginugulo na ito ni Mula. Ay. Nangatanggal na ang mga ganito. Ang Mula ko talaga. Bebe! You already ruined my decors. Ay, tinatanggal niya na niya mga day. Ayan, gianam-anam niya tanggal. Okay, wait for a minute. I'll show it to them, my centerpiece. Ayan, super cute. Ang cute. Ang cute ng aming centerpiece. Ito yung in-order namin sa Amazon. I think tag-ano lang ito, $39. Itong centerpiece na to. Ayan, super cute niya. Tingnan no. Sabi ko sa inyo Hindi pala ito siya real. Battery-able ito siya. Binabattery ito, hindi to siya real. Lagyan mo lang ng battery tapos magsisiga na yan. And dito sa aming maliit na table. Ayun, ang cute. Tingnan niyo ang aking centerpiece. Ito siya real, ito siya na candle. Yung isa hindi yun real. My baby! Nandyan ka na naman. Ang aming centerpiece, super cute. At yung mga candles dito, nilagay ko dito, yung mga malalaki ba. Tingnan niyo ang aming bilin Ay, ginugulo na talaga ito ni Mula, nangatumba na. Ito, bakit ito naabot dito? Dito man ito. Ang cute! Hello, good morning. Nandito na kami sa...
If it's more than 40, forget it.
Yes. Nandito na kami sa salon kung saan ako magpa-haircut.
Okay, you go.
I-check namin ang presyo nila kung cheap ba or okay lang. Ayan, dito ako magpapa-haircut. So, hair's line. Korean ito. Dito ako sa Korean kasi maganda sila mag-haircut.
Hello.
appointment only.
Huh?
Appointment only.
Appointment only.
Yes.
How much is it?
And short hair is 30, long hair is 35.
Okay, when can
Your
we-
length is
when-
35.
Okay, when can they, no schedule today?
And no time today.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So you have to make a call and make an appointment,
Oh,
right?
yeah. How about tomorrow?
Well, we'll have to think about it. I don't know. I'll have to talk to her about it, but it's good. But
Nakakasad mga day kasi kailangan pa sila ng appointment. Right, my love?
I guess.
They need an appointment. They don't
Oh,
accept walk-in. Pero okay lang kasi meron pang nalalaman si Tom na mga Korean salon dito. Kasi ni-research niya before kami pumunta dito para meron kaming choices.
They only do by appointment. I can't do it.
Try namin sa ibang salon.
I just
I-try
saw-
namin itong nasa harapan
Look,
na
there's a
salon. Yeah. There's many choices. Right, my love?
But I don't want to park in 20-minute parking.
Over here. Here, this one.
I can't do it. I can't turn there.
It's 30 minutes parking.
I don't
Okay.
care. This is a lie.
That's a lie. Dito na naman kami pupunta sa iba, hair culture, kasi yung pangalawang pinuntahan namin is close kaysa
By
ibang...
appointment only.
Ay, ay, ay.
We'll just see.
They are not good, my love.
I don't know.
Let's go. Go find another one.
Okay.
Ay, maghahanap na naman kami ng iba.
How much are your haircuts? How much are your haircuts? Women.
Woman.
But you only appointment. All right. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Maghahanap na naman kami
These are
kasi...
65, my love.
Yeah, that's too expensive.
That's too much.
Yeah. By appointment na naman ang kakailanganin nila.
Yay, yay. I'm not gonna get in here. Look, that's why I don't like parking here. I'm gonna go.
Hello, nandito pala kami sa Gina's Hair Boutique, Hair Salon. Ano na naman kami dito, nag-transfer. By appointment lang yung third salon na napuntahan namin. Dito, pwede silang walk-in. We'll just check the other store, other salon.
Okay, you.
Okay, I'll just
I'll
check
just
it.
wait. Okay.
Tag
Just check it till
$40.
the rest of it.
Okay, yeah. $40 pala itong ano nila dito. Haircut sa woman. I-check muna natin yung sa Picas B. Picas side. Dito. Merong barbershop din dito. Imperial ang pangalan. Hello. Can I ask how much haircut for woman? Yeah. There's no woman here? Okay. Thank you. Panglalaki lang pala ito. Wala silang woman. They don't have woman.
Okay, okay. Just haircut anyway.
Yeah, haircut only. No shampoo or anything. Just haircut. Thank you. Straight lang pala ang gusto ko. Yung dito lang. Pa-slash. Ito ang buhok ko dati. Ngayon is gusto ko naman ng pa-straight. Kaupo na ako dito. Tingnan nyo ang forma ng kanilang salon. Pang girly things. Pang girly talaga na salon. Unti lang naman ang ipapakat ko para makita nyo ang difference ng aking buhok. Pag ikat na to, dito na to siya taman sa shoulder ko. Gusto ko yung sa shoulder ko lang taman. Nakikita na ang difference niya. Ang cute. Ha?
You just come here.
Yeah, I'm doing vlog.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
From where?
For what? I'm from Cebu, Philippines.
Ah,
Yeah. She said, mga day, I'm so lucky because I came from Philippines. A lot of Filipinas knows how to speak English. She compliment us Filipinos. Since elementary, the teachers teaching us how to speak English
oh yeah.
for free.
When they're small, they teach them.
Yeah.
When you were small, speak English. Too,
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, many people immigrant don't know how to speak English, but a lot
Yeah.
of Filipinos do.
80% of Filipinos knows how to speak English.
You guys are lucky.
Yeah.
No problem here to stay.
Yeah.
How old are you?
Wow. I'm 22.
22. Yeah.
She said I look more younger.
Oh,
More
you look
younger.
Like 18 now.
Thank
You
you.
like that?
Thank you. Merry Christmas. Tingnan nyo. Wow. I super like it, mga jay. Para akong bumabata. Thank you.
Here's the tip.
Here's a tip. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Thank you.
In the
Thank you
price.
so much, my honey.
Already changing the price, my love.
Why? What is the price?
Originally 40, and then the old lady said 45.
Huh? Did you pay 45?
No, I paid 40 plus tip.
Okay.
The first lady was said 40, and then when they're leaving, the lady
Maybe
said
she
45.
forgot. That's why she was just mistake, my
What
love.
do you not want? Fried chicken?
Thank you, my honey.
Okay.
Love you.
I
Kiss.
love you.
Kiss me. Thank
What do you want, my love? I don't know what you want.
Anywhere, I want in
don't want anywhere.
Brazilian. Ang ating
What about
buhok. I
maybe
like
you'll
it
go
very
here
much.
next time.
My love, I like it very much. Very, very much.
I mean, next time you go here, not
Yeah.
the Filipino.
Yeah.
Did hair
What? Not the
rebond.
Filipino.
New hair.
No, my rebonding is good. The Filipino ones are good. Next time when we go to haircut, we'll just go back here. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't like the fact that they're changing the price. I don't like 45.
They are just mistake, my love.
No, they're probably trying to get more money.
Maghanap na kami ng restaurant kasi kakain kami. See you later! Ang ganda na ng buhok ko. Oh. Yan, para na tayong si Claudine. Charot. Wow! Ang cute niya. Ang cute
What
na
do
niya
you like?
tingnan.
Fried chicken or
Super cute! Cute niya mga baduday. Super nagustuhan ko. Ito yung bet ko, yung padura-dura lang ba kasi fresh. Hindi siya alimuot ba, maaliwala siya sa buhok. What did you say, my love? Better I go first?
yeah, better you go first, like the Philippines. If they see me, they're gonna jack up the price.
Yeah, right.
They already did.
They take advantage of you if they see,
No,
oh,
they
this
can't
is
take advantage of
American.
me.
This is white guy. We have to jack up the price.
Bad business. No,
Because naka-experience na kasi siya mga day sa Pilipinas nung
there,
nagta-travel
Korean
kami ba? Yeah.
Supermarket, that's another one.
Nung nagta-travel kami
There,
sa
my love.
Philippines,
They're over
you
there.
experienced it right before when we traveled in Philippines and then when they saw you.
That's another grocery.
My
over there.
love, when they saw
Yeah,
you,
I do it. Yeah,
they jack up the price.
yeah.
Ay, kasi itong mga Pinoy sa atin, sa Pilipinas, kapag makakita ng may Amerikano, usbon ang presyo. Papalakihin ang presyo ba? Ito ang experience namin nung nag-tricycle kami. Ang pliti lang sa tricycle is 15 pesos per head. Ipa-pliti man kami ng 120 pesos. Kasi pakyaw daw mga day. Kasi Tom na meron na siyang trust issue sa mga ganun kapag Asian ang katubang namin. Meron na siyang trust issue sa mga presyo, sa mga price. Kasi mag-jack up daw ang presyo nila kapag makakita na meron tayong dalang white guy na kasama. Na-experience na kasi niya noong nag-travel kami noong 2022. New hair na naman tayo mga day. Pero tingnan nyo ang ating pimples dito sa mukha. Oh, tumutubo siya. Pulang-pula talaga siya. Ayan. Nandito pa talaga sa ating bibig. Sobrang kati niya. Ang sarap niyang pisilin ba? Ang sarap niyang pisilin mga day. Pero hindi ko pinipisil yung mga pimples ko. Kapag tutubuan ako ng pimples, hindi ako magpisil na. Kasi maglibak-libak yan ang mukha mo kapag pipisilin mo yung pimples.
4 thighs, fried chicken. You want that?
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah.
You want fries too?
Yeah, fries.
Okay, I also want, so I want thighs, fried chicken, and then fries.
Mac and cheese too, my love.
Large.
Mac and cheese. Yeah,
too?
yeah.
We just bought regular or spicy? Regular or spicy fries?
Regular.
Regular, and also mac and cheese.
Nag-order lang kami dito sa churches kasi ito ang the same sa Jollibee sa Philippines. Hindi kasi masarap ang Jollibee nila dito sa California.
They don't have gravy, I don't think.
It's okay, my love. As long as the chicken is very good.
Okay.
Tastes like Philippine Jollibee. Philippine Jollibee!
Okay, and
Thank you.
You want any ketchup?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
that's
you.
okay.
Wow!
good?
Yeah, thank you, my love. Ang sarap nito mga guy. It tastes Jollibee in the Philippines talaga itong churches na to. Churches Texas chicken. It smells so good! Ito ang aming in-order sa Churches Texas chicken. 4 na chicken. Oh, it looks really Jollibee nga chicken mga guy. And mac and cheese. And also fries. Ang liit lang ng binigay nila na fries. Mas mahal ba ya itong fries kaysa sa chicken? Sarap. Here is not good. In the Philippines is the best. And all over the world. Nag-take out na lang talaga kami ng pagkain kasi hindi kami kumakain doon sa restaurant kasi sabi ni Tom gusto na daw niyang umuwi dito. Nagagandahan daw siya sa akin ng sobra. Gusto niyang alam niyo na kasi super ganda ko daw ngayon. Kaya gusto na niyang umuwi. Kain tayo! Wala talaga makakatalo sa Jollibee sa Pilipinas. Alam nyo ba mga day, mas masarap ang mga pagkain sa Pilipinas kaysa dito. Kaya tinutulungan talaga ako nito palagi na maghahanap ng mga parehong lasa sa Jollibee sa Pilipinas. Bisan mayroong Jollibee dito, hindi pa rin siya masarap. Iba ang lasa niya dito. Mas masarap talaga ang Pilipinas na Jollibee.
Better than Popeyes, right?
Yeah.
But this is owned by Popeyes. They own this brand. They bought it out for $333 million.
Ito pala kagabi ay hindi siya masyadong nakakapahinga, nakatulog. Right? You didn't sleep well last night?
No, probably I keep moving. Do you feel that you're not going to sleep? Am I keeping you awake?
No. You might think a lot. Don't keep your mind blank. What are you thinking last night? Why you didn't sleep?
What restaurants to go? What food to buy? I think I'm too hot.
May ketchup. Hello! Nandito pala ako sa aming kwarto kasi si To may super ingay doon sa aming sala. Nanonood ng football. Hindi ko maririnig ang aking mga ini-edit dito. Kaya dito ako sa kwarto nag-edit. Kami ngayon. Long distance relationship kami ngayon kasi nag-edit ako dito sa room. Tapos siya doon nanonood ng football. Ito na, mag-shoutout na tayo. Shoutout kay Ma'am Joy Clemente from Las Piñas. Shoutout kay Ma'am Marlene Kinsat from Imus, Cavite. Shoutout kay Ma'am Jocelyn Hanson. Shoutout kay Ma'am Zernalyn Jamahali. And that's it for today's shoutout. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga next vlog. Bye!